And this is the work that's being done here. You can see crews hard at work. First they're turning the building into rubble, and they're dropping the rubble, and they're dealing with the rubble and the girders and making all kinds of a mess in order to create a footprint for something new. So this machine, like a giant dinosaur, grabs onto these iron girders and just rips the thing apart. So that's some of what remains of the old, and this is what's going to become the new, I guess. It's called 1 Franklin. Got a big building with hotel, retail, offices. That's what will rise from the dust, rise from the rust, rise from the ashes of what used to be. We're looking at the seeds of progress. From downtown Croston, Carl Stevens, WBC News Radio, 1030.